Good, everybody. July 6th, 2024. I'm Connor with Honor. Understand when you go out into real estate and you're searching for that agent to represent you as a seller or as a buyer, you want to look at their background and history, of course, in real estate, but what else do they have? I remember when I was a first responder working for the police department, Los Angeles, of course, I remember that whenever we would get out there and we would encounter citizens that needed our help, there was really nothing in my brain that I wouldn't do to help protect and save and secure them at that particular moment, whether I was investigating a crime, whether the bad guy was about to come back after he just beat up on somebody, or maybe somebody was in the process of hurting somebody else. It never stopped me from advancing. Same thing I apply in my real estate career and the way that I've built this business with SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com and Connor with Honor. Let's get to today's real estate inventory. 430 active units on the market for sale. 6 coming soon. 47 new listings posted in the past 7 days. 48 properties have had their prices changed in the past 7 days. That's up a bit. Back on market properties 13. Active under contract properties 20. Pending 49. Closed 64. 10 have expired. If you're looking for open houses or even that regular inventory, go to SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com and you'll see everything that is currently listed for sale and every property that's having an open house scheduled, be it today or in the future. Check it out. Visit often. It is unlocked and is my system to you. For you sellers out there, something very important to consider is how long you're going to allow your property to be marketed prior to it actually entering the market in the multiple listing service. So it's actually being able to be shown. So there's going to be a run time that your agent's going to talk to you about. How long do you want your property to be available, at least to be seen online, but then balancing that with the times it's going to be shown in the future. That run is called coming soon. Those listings are 6. So there are 6 properties that have been listed in this past 7 days that are of the coming soon variety. How long for you as a seller is a good enough adequate time frame? I would say somewhere between 7 to 12 days. Getting a full week's run in more than that is going to maybe dissuade certain people because of the length of time. I do know, though, that coming soon, the days on market time frame doesn't start until after the coming soon period. So it's still going to reflect as new. But these are considerations to have because that particular listing is going to be sent to those people that are working with real estate agents. And those real estate agents are going to be able to send the coming soon listing because they have access. You're not going to see those anywhere else on the online syndication sites. They're going to only come directly through sites like Santa Clarita Open Houses and that relationship you have with your particular agent or broker, making sure that they're sending you those listings. And the buyer end of it, that's going to also reflect you. You're going to want to also have access to those. So you want to make sure that the agent doing the searching for you is dialed in as to what your needs specifically are with regard to the residents. And of course, understanding there are certain fail safes in place where you're not going to be required as an agent to put a lot of information because maybe it's unknown. But those agents out there should be paying strict attention to what they're listing for sale and should have every possible attribute, every possible benefit of that property actually listed somewhere, whether it's on some other sheet or actually in the multiple listing service. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching today's update. We'll be back tomorrow on Sunday. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.